Alright, so in this video, we are going to be talking about how to get create our Gray account. Okay, so for you to actually make payment on TikTok Ads Manager, right? You can't make payment with Naira. You have to use dollar, and the only ones I know that are currently working is our Gray. You can use the Gray card or you can use the Bybit. Okay, so for those that are not really familiar with how crypto works, I'm just going to just use the Gray, which is an easier way for most people. Okay, so we are going to, if you are on mobile, right, just go to Play Store, App Store, wherever, and download Gray dot and type Gray and download the app. Okay, so here I'm going to be going through the web because I'm on my system currently. If you don't all right, so I'm going to click on get started, right? And here it is, you can set up with Google, right? Or you can now decide to fill manually like this. All right, so I'm going to select my country, which is Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue. Now you're going to make sure that the country you are selecting is the country that you have the document that you're going to verify with. So I'm going to click on proceed. So I'm going to click on fill this form. Okay, I already have a Gray account, so I'm just going to be filling random numbers, right? So my middle name optional, let me use Eukarya. All right, so now put in your email, then phone number, right? You can put in any phone number that you want. All right, so for the referral code, right, you are going to use my referral code. Okay, so here you are going to type I65VE7. Okay, so just like this, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, oh, surname. All right, so you can just put anything, right? I'm not going to verify this account anyways, but for you, make sure that everything that you are filling is what is in the document that you want to use to verify. So I'll click on continue. Now I'm just going to use random password. Okay, then click on I agree and I accept, then continue. All right, so here we can see we need to verify our email address. Okay, so depending on the account that you use to sign up, just go to the email address of that go to the email of that email address, and then you can get the code. All right, so here we have 8744. All right, so okay, these are just I'll just say get virtual card for online shopping. You can choose whatever it is, but here for me is just to create a virtual card, so I'm going to click on submit. All right, so this is how it looks like, right? Now you can see it is showing verify your identity, meaning that I have to submit an identity document before they can verify. So I'm going to start go to start verification. Okay, then you can pick whatever date, right? I'm just going to select random numbers. All right, so the country is already selected from my registration form. Now the address, you can put whatever address. Okay, now you come here and select your state, right? Now for the zip code, in case you don't know your zip code, it is very simple. Just go to your browser and type the zip code for your state. For example, I can say zip code for, we say Abuja, right? So alright, so we have these different options, right? So I'm just going to go with anyone. Just pick anyone, preferably the one at the top. So here I'm going to pick this, copy it. If you're whatever country or state you are, you can now select it. Okay, now it says the proof of address. Now the proof of address, that is the document you're going to submit. Here we have the utility bill, we have the tax statement, we have the rental lease, and we also have the bank statement. Okay, so here there is the why is this thing not showing? So you can see the bank statement there. So your utility bill, that is your NEPA bill, whatever, your bank tax or ID, your tax statement or report. If you don't have it, just go with your rental lease, maybe your house rent, your shop rent, whatever. Or the most easiest one, you can go with your bank statement. Just go to your app store, just go to your banking app or whatever. Just tell them to give you a bank statement and use it. Or you can use your NEPA bill, your waste bill, your whatever bill. Okay, all right. So now you now have to upload the file of that NEPA bill or whatever that you selected. I think I have one here, right? All right, so now I will now click on continue. Right, so do you identify as a political opposed person? No. Are your family member or close associate of a politically exposed person? No. Right, this is very important. Okay, so before you can make the transaction gray, we're required by law to verify your identity. Okay, all right, so now they're going to do that identity stuff, so I'm going to click on begin identity verification. So I think this process requires a longer requires a strong network. So because I'm using my laptop, it is going to tell me to scan it and use my phone. So I'm going to scan it now and use my phone to do it. Okay, so after this the account is going to be pending until they verify. It can take a while, maybe some hours, some days, some weeks, right? Something takes longer, but in generally it doesn't take that much. Okay, so before you even start doing anything, it's advisable you do this step so that when you are now setting other things up, when you come back, they already approved your gray account. All right, so I hope this step was interesting for you, and I'm going to see you in the next video.